Strathmore Hotel, very clean. It's a very clean hotel, so it does have its faults, which we'll look into in a moment. The room is adequate for a single person. The bed was comfortable, the sheets and the bed was spotlessly clean. There's a work area there as well. TV. So into the bathroom, spotlessly clean when it arrived. I used it obviously, but no surprises. The toilet spotlessly clean. It does have its faults though. Needs a little bit of maintenance, as for instance, I noticed this last night. Someone at some point may have got a hold of it, thinking it was a handle and broke it. And also there's cracking up here as well, you can see all the way down there, which may be related to the foot on the hand on the towel rail, but it might be something a little worse because it's going up here as well. It goes right the way up. Another fault I noticed was the shower up here. Not fixed to the wall properly. So, aside from that, the hotel in general is spotless. There's a bit of wallpaper torn off leading to the various rooms. But it's not major issues, but it would be nicer if it was tidied up. This is the view from the bedroom that I've got. Very pleasant. There we are. It's right across the road there is the bus stop, and just opposite that particular bus stop there's another bus stop. So buses are handy to get nearby. Also, you can obviously use the bus pass if you're over the age to have one. So that's about it really. It's curtains are clean, the radiators, everything. The room was, as I say, the room was spotless when I came into it last night. It's good size, you don't need anything bigger. Plenty of storage space. No faulty cupboards or anything like that, no faulty doors. Just a few little marks on the second where we stay, basically. I'm not sleeping in a hotel, but there'll be a little bit of damage or scratches But apart from that, like I say, the only thing that disturbed me, I think we should have dealt with this. But that's my part. Had breakfast.